Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on the Sennheiser model number MKE600 kit. So I get this really nice windsock that goes with it. Here's everything that comes in the Sennheiser kit. It has a kind of like a foam you can put on there. This is the clamp that comes with it, but here's this other clamp that I get with it. It's really nice. It's got the shock absorbers. So you're going to be able to put it right through here in the middle. Okay, so it slides on there. We can put the XLR mic adapter, just snaps on there like that. It's got a nice shock absorber. I can position it with this. Cold shoe mount, threaded insert. Then I can put this windsock on it. Looks really nice. Still have access to the on-off switch and the noise reduction switch. I can unscrew this. This is how I'm going to add the battery. It takes a AA battery. Right there's where the battery goes. It does not come with a battery, so you need to get one. I love this case that it comes with, padded, zippered up case. Here's the clamp that comes with it. It's got a cold shoe mount, place for the cord. This, I can just slip that on there like that. Okay, so that switch is called the low cut switch. When it's on, when it's towards the angled line, so right there, when you've got that switch down and it's towards the angle line, that means the frequencies below 100 hertz are attenuated to reduce wind and impact noise. That's off. When it's on, you'll have a red light. When the red light starts flashing at you, it's gonna let you know. If it's flashing really quick, that means it's almost, the battery has no charge left. If it's flashing a little bit, you got about 8 hours. If it's on steady, you have 150 hours. Looks like it'll turn green if you have phantom powering. Overall, this is a really nice kit. Thanks for watching.